welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. And today I'm just having a little fun. I'm reusing a canvas, just a little one. It's 8x8. And I'm going to be using my mini blower today. I am going to start with the middle-sized nozzle. Just to start, it's the most powerful one. And then I do have my other two. I'm going to set those over here on the side in case I need them. And let me get my gloves on real quick while I'm talking here. And then I'll show you the colors. Got some kind of fallish colors. This one here is from 𝗸𝕚𝗚𝗏𝗍𝗍. It's Phthalo Turquoise. I've got some extreme Sheen bronze. And then from Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Light Hue. And I've only got a little tiny bit left of that, but I don't need that much. And that is from FolkArt, and it's Metallic Antique Copper. Then I will be using some Cell Activator, and that is made with Amsterdam Titanium White and Australian Floetrol. All the other paints are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and water. And then I also have some white, and I don't normally use a lot of white. So this is just some leftover that I'm just trying to get rid of, and it's mixed with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic and Liquitex Basics Titanium White. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of jump in here and get going. Okay guys, so let's go in for a closer look. And there's a lot of detail in this painting. I love all the cells. I love the way the colors blended. And I am loving this Phthalo Turquoise from 𝗸𝕚𝗚𝗏𝗍𝗍. I've only used it once before, and it's so vibrant and pretty. And I did buy some other colors as well, so I will be doing a upcoming video with those. And I'm also going to be using these same colors in a cloud pour video that will be coming up, so don't forget to click the notification bell if you have not already. That way you'll be able to be notified when I upload new videos. Okay guys, so I'm going to cross my fingers about this painting that it dries really nice, and now we're going to see if it did. And there we go. I love how they dried. The colors are super pretty. Now I did get a little bit of flocculation, you can see it right there. Other than that, I'm super happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And also, if you're interested in any acrylic pouring tools, don't forget to check out acrylicpouringtools.com. And I've got a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy. And I will catch you in the next one.